Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 12th of August, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through a live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we managed to squeeze amazing pips. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, we had a sideways market. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had beautiful long. Today, as I mentioned in my yesterday analysis, if the price is going to keep respecting it, we're going to be taking a pullback short. But if you look at it, technically we were looking this breakout, guys. As you can see here, price respected previously, and we were looking this breakout. And today we haven't seen, because we're still waiting for this breakout. Price did not develop any opportunity. You can see here, hasn't developed any opportunities. Price still hovering. It's sideways market. We'll let you know tomorrow if the price is gonna break, but we manage amazing profit on pound dollar, all the cable pairs. Let's see here in the pound dollar. If you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday, this is the news reaction. As I mentioned in my yesterday analysis, if you haven't seen that video, find the link in the video description. All right, so today, as you can see here, as I mentioned yesterday, the price developed downside channel pattern, possibility of breakout. Otherwise, if the price is going to respect, if you look at here, the price previously respected many times this level, and we have another two resistance level, and beautiful. If you look at, let me clear this thing. If you look at this candle, you can see here at this candle, inside candle pattern, we were looking this breakout candle. So we had a beautiful, we had a small long, but we managed to came out at the break even. Then later on we had this breakout, and we keep taking a pullback, and we manage beautiful pips at this level. Beautiful, amazing trade. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so if you look at in the morning, we had this breakout. We were expecting a long trade here. Again, as always, based on the price action. So we had this pullback long trade, which technically we came out at the break even. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, we explained to trader tightening your stop loss, which we did as a break even, and we came out at the break even. After that, I explained to my trader, look here, because we were watching in 4-hour, and this was the breakout, we were watching it, and I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, because I can see it, the prices develop head and shoulder pattern. If you look at here, you can see head and shoulder pattern here, and that's what I explained to trader, look for this breakout. I instantly broadcast this analysis, and afterwards you can see here price nicely broken, another pullback, beautiful short trade here. This was the analysis in the London morning session, and the New York session I also updated same analysis just to help my trader, because I was expecting the price might be going to hit at this support level. So what happened here at the New York session, I explained to my trader, price already broken this channel, so already have a head and shoulder pattern. So we're looking here another breakout at this level as the fib channel, as what I explained to my trader. So we have another breakout, as you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the fib channel. And if you look at in the 4-hour, price nicely hit to the support level. So we had a beautiful, amazing short trade on pound dollar bank, beautiful pips on pound dollar. All right, so let me share with you the dollar CAD. We haven't seen. Tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to break, then we're going to keep taking a pullback short trade here, and we'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, so dollar CAD, again, we haven't seen any big moves. As you can see here, price nicely respected at this level, and we were expecting this long trade here, but we were watching this breakout. So which price nicely broken at the New York session, and still a couple of traders still holding long. Let's see how that's gonna go. But that was this is the analysis I did at the New York session. We were expecting a breakout whole day, and you can see here price. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. You can see here, as you can. Okay, so this was the breakout today. That's the only few pippies, but we had it beautiful on pound dollar and the pound yen and the pound Swiss franc. Let me share with you the pound Swiss franc. You can see here in 4-hour, beautiful. I explained to trader, look here guys, sort of like look like another head and shoulder pattern, and the price try to develop, keep respecting this resistance level. So we're looking this breakout. So you can see here this morning we had this breakout, and if you look at this candle, this is the bearish engulfing candle, and after the breakout price came back, retest, and develop another spinning top, bearish spinning top. After that we have a short trade here, and I explained to my trader the target would be the 200 EMA, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis for today. If you look at, I did two analyses. One is the London morning session, one at the New York session. So if you look at, let me make it slightly bigger so you can see here what I'm saying. Okay, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, London morning session, we were looking this channel breakout, price nicely broken after the breakout retest, short trade, bank beautiful pips. And at the New York session, you can see here price already broken, and after the breakout I explained to trader look for this pullback at this level. You can see here price nicely came back, develop another pullback, explained to take another pullback as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA. And that's what I explained to my trader guys, and enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound yen. We also had a beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc. You can see here, look at this analysis in 4 hour, price developed triple top, and that's what we explained to trader look for this breakout. As you can see here, this was the, let me explain to you, this was the breakout. And if you look at the intraday, we had this breakout, bank beautiful pips, and that's what exactly analysis you can see here. This is the analysis, breakout, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level at this level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see here, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound. We also had a short trade on Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar. If you look at here, this is again, if you look at, this is the intraday analysis for today. We were short here. You can see another breakout at this level. If you look at the 4 hour, this was the breakout, bank beautiful pips. Even though we didn't have any trades on EURUSD and dollar CAD, but as you can see, we managed beautiful pips on, especially on cable pair. You can see amazing trade. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time, banking pips in real time, and developing your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill and you show us consistency, definitely I can help you to get funded from the platforms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live trading, through live analysis through this platform, and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading based on the 4 hour analysis and the intraday analysis. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.